This beautiful 2008 911 Turbo 997.1 has the very desirable Mezger turbo engine with a 6-speed manual gearbox, 18,000 miles, and it comes in dark olive green paint to sample metallic paint. It's absolutely sensational. It's in glorious condition, has the Fuchs style OEM wheels, and it is being kept immaculately by the same gentleman who we sold a Z8 for recently here on Bring a Trailer. The turbo tail fin works perfectly, as you can see in the video here. And down. Everything about this car is superb. The roof comes up and down from the key fob absolutely perfectly, as you can see here. So we're going to do a cold startup. The car's been here in the studio for well over an hour, so everything is cold and ready for a startup. That is a proper sound. This angle really shows you the beauty of this dark green olive metallic. It needs the sunlight to sparkle, but look at that, what a color. It's just sensational. Here we go with the little drive on board video. Monster power. So everyone's always wanting onboard videos. You can't really do much driving around the center of LA, but here in the shadow of SAG-AFTRA and all the museums is a little onboard just to give you a taste of how sensational this car is, and the power is truly phenomenal. It's like a Learjet on takeoff. Just insane. What a car.